Stop wasting your time, money, and effort on failed affiliate marketing campaigns, and let's start talking about the practices that actually work. Content creation is a key element in any successful strategy, and understanding what type of content works best for promotional purposes can be difficult. So, in this video, we're going to dive into the top 5 types of content you should create for maximum benefit from your affiliate marketing endeavors. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we post more amazing videos like this in the future. And here we go. Number 1, product reviews. One of the most common types of content in affiliate marketing is product reviews. A product review is a detailed analysis of a particular product. The review should provide the reader or viewer with all necessary information about the product, including its features and benefits, as well as any drawbacks. You can write a review on a blog, YouTube channel, or even in a podcast. Most people search for product reviews before making a purchase, so it's essential to write reviews that are honest, accurate, and informative. Creating product reviews will help you build trust with your audience and entice them to purchase the product through your links. Number 2, product comparison. Another type of content is product comparisons. This type of content is great for showcasing the benefits of different products and helping your audience choose the right one for them. Comparisons can be in the form of a blog or video or podcast, just like product reviews. Make sure to highlight the differences, similarities, and unique selling points of each product. Comparisons help people who are undecided about which product to choose when they can't decide on the best for them. Including affiliate links in the product discussion is super beneficial. You can earn commissions from the purchases made from the products you compare, and you should try to use an affiliate link for all the products that you're comparing. Number 3, tutorials. Tutorials are an excellent type of content for teaching your audience how to use products effectively. Tutorials can be in written form, but they're most effective in video format. You can showcase the product and demonstrate how it works, addressing any questions or concerns that the viewers may have. Tutorials help people become familiar with a product and encourage them to make a purchase through your link. Now, many times if people are watching tutorials, they already have the product. So here's your opportunity to sell on supplementary or complementary products associated with the product that you're giving tutorials on. To make tutorials more interesting, use visual aids such as infographics or animations. Number 4, in-use videos via social media. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are perfect for creating in-use videos. These platforms are ideal for showcasing how a product can be used in real life. You can showcase a product that you use on a daily basis and explain how it benefits you. In-use videos are short, engaging, and have the potential to go viral, allowing you to reach a broader audience. When you post on social media, make sure to include your affiliate links in every possible place available. Number 5, product roundups. Product roundups, or listicles, are a list of products that fall under a specific category. For example, the top 10 best beauty products for acne-prone skin. This type of content is great for showcasing a variety of products in one post. Product roundups make it easy for your audience to find products that are relevant to them. You can include your affiliate links in the post, and every time someone clicks on that link to make a purchase, you earn a commission. That's why it's important to be affiliated with companies such as Amazon or eBay, where there's multiple products that you can review and utilize all of the links available to you. And that was the top 5 types of content, but we're not done yet. We're going to give you one extra, and that extra is create your own freebie or lead magnet as part of an affiliate product sale. An extra way to increase the perceived value of an affiliate product sale is to offer your own freebie or lead magnet related to the product. The lead magnet could be a free book, guide, or worksheet which your audience will find helpful when using the specific product. This type of content adds more value to the product sale and helps to further establish your expertise in your niche. And that's all we have for today. Using these tried and true methods of content creation can help you maximize your affiliate product sales and increase your income guaranteed. Still interested in learning more? Check out one of the videos on the screen you see now. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop us a comment down below. Let us know what content campaigns have worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.